Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. So you just bought a shiny new Windows 11 laptop and you can't wait to start using it. But before you dive in headfirst into your new device, there are a few settings that you might want to turn off right away. Some of these settings can have a big impact on your privacy, performance, and battery life. So it's worth taking a few minutes to disable them before you start using your new laptop. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 settings that you should disable on your new Windows 11 laptop right out of the box. And trust me, you'll thank me later. So let's get started. Number 1. Disable background apps. Starting with the most impactful change you can make is disabling background apps. Many apps run continuously in the background even when you're not using them. This can bog down your system, shorten battery life, and even compromise your privacy. To fix this, go to Start and then click on Settings. Once you open up the Settings pane, navigate to Apps Greater Than Installed Apps Greater Than Manage Background Activities. Here you can control which apps are allowed to run in the background. Simply turn off background app permissions for any app that you don't need running all the time. This way your laptop will feel much snappier and your battery will last much longer. 2. Turn off startup apps. Another great way to improve performance is by turning off unnecessary startup apps. When you log into Windows, many apps automatically launch and run in the background, slowing down your boot time and consuming your resources. To change this, press Ctrl Alt plus Shift plus Escape to bring up the Task Manager, then go to the Startup tab and disable any apps that you don't want to launch during startup. You can also prevent certain websites and services from automatically launching at startup. This will ensure that your laptop boots up quickly and smoothly so you can start working right away. Number 3. Disable notifications you don't need. Notifications are a great way to stay informed about what's happening on your computer, but they can also be annoying and distracting if you're trying to focus on a task. To take control of your notifications, open Settings and then select System Greater Than Notifications. Here you can turn off notifications from apps and services that you don't need. You can also use the Get Tips and Suggestions toggle to disable the annoying tips and suggestions that pop up when you use Windows for the first time. By disabling unnecessary notifications, you'll be able to stay focused and avoid distractions while you work. Number 4. Turn off location tracking. If you're not a fan of apps tracking your every move, then turn off location tracking. Many apps require access to your location data in order to function properly, but this can be a privacy risk if you're not careful. To disable location tracking, open Settings and then select Privacy and Security Greater Than Location. From here, toggle off location services if you don't need apps to track your movement. You can also choose to allow apps to access your location only when you're using them. This way you'll still be able to use location-based apps without compromising your privacy. Additionally, turning off location tracking can help reduce background activity and improve overall performance. 5. Disable ads and personalized recommendations. By default, Windows collects data about your browsing habits and location to show you personalized ads and recommendations. While this may seem harmless, it's not ideal if you value your privacy and want to avoid potential data leaks. Fortunately, it's easy to disable this feature and prevent Windows from collecting unnecessary information about you. To do this, open Settings and then select Privacy and Security Greater Than General. Simply turn off the option that says, Let apps show me personalized ads. This way, Windows won't collect data about your browsing habits or location to show you targeted ads. You can still get helpful recommendations without the privacy concerns. Alright, folks. That's it. Those are the top 5 settings that you should disable on your new Windows 11 laptop right away. I know it seems like a small thing, but trust me, these simple steps will make your device faster, more private, and less distracting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family who have recently got a new laptop. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep tracking and stay tuned.